Body sign and symptoms, loss of weight, obesity. The two most common causes of loss of weight are blood or yin deficiency. Other causes include stomach and spleen Qi deficiency, stomach heat, and liver fire. Although stomach and spleen Qi deficiency normally tend to make a person overweight because they lead to dampness and phlegm. In severe cases, such as in anorexia, they may lead to loss of weight because the body is not nourished by the food essences. Yin deficiency. Loss of weight, night sweating, dry mouth with desire to drink in small sip, dry throat in the evening, scanty dark urine, dark stool, normal colored tongue without coating, floating empty pulse. This may be yin deficiency of various organs such as the lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys, liver, and spleen. Liver blood deficiency. Loss of weight, dizziness, blurred vision, floaters, numbness or tingling of limbs, scanty menstruation, dull pale complexion, pale tongue, choppy or fine pulse. Stomach and spleen Qi deficiency. Loss of weight, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexion, weakness of the limbs, loose stool, uncomfortable feelings in the epigastrium, lack of taste, sensation, pale tongue. Empty pulse. Normally, stomach and spleen Qi deficiency lead to obesity, but it may also lead to weight loss because the food essence are not absorbed by the body. Liver fire. Loss of weight, headache, red face, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outbursts of anger, thirst, bitter taste, constipation, dark urine, red tongue with redder sides and dry yellow coating, wiry rapid pulse. Stomach heat. Loss of weight, burning epigastric pain, thirst, sour regurgitation, nausea, excessive hunger, foul breath, a feeling of heat, red tongue with a yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. Obesity. When not purely due to overeating, obesity is generally caused by retention of tongue phlegm occurring against a background of spleen Qi and or kidney yang deficiency. Obesity in Chinese medicine is always due to dampness or phlegm, deriving from Qi or Yang deficiency, retained in the space between the skin and the muscles. Damp phlegm with Qi deficiency. Obesity, chronic cough with expectoration of profuse white sticky sputum that is easy to expectorate, feeling of oppression of the chest, dizziness, and blurred vision. Somnolence, nausea, sputum in the throat, dizziness of the head, tiredness, poor appetite, loose stool, weak voice, slightly shortness of breath, pale complexion, pale and swollen tongue with sticky coating, saggy pulse. Thank you po for your attention.